Hi everyone. Let's discover new English words and enhance our fluency. Learning advanced vocabulary will help you express yourself more effectively. So, let's get started. Word 1. Ubiquitous, present everywhere at the same time. Example, smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society. Word 2. Pragmatic, dealing with things sensibly and realistically. Example, instead of arguing, let's take a pragmatic approach to solving this problem. Word 3. Eschew, to deliberately avoid or stay away from something. Example, he tries to eschew unhealthy food and maintain a balanced diet. Word 4. Inevitable, certain to happen, unavoidable. Example, change is inevitable, so we must learn to adapt. Word 5. Ambiguous, open to more than one interpretation, unclear. Example, his response was ambiguous, making it hard to know what he really meant. Word 6. Cognizant, being aware or having knowledge of something. Example, she is cognizant of the challenges ahead and is preparing accordingly. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing these words to improve your English fluency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help more people learn. See you in the next video.